Drakans Roofing Supplies is a family-owned company supplying roofing equipment and products to the general roofing industry. We supply tradesmen and other roofing companies with all the requirements to complete their own work. We also supply and install all types of roofing, whether metal or tile, gutters or downpipes. Our team are all fully qualified, licensed and insured tradesmen who are able to give the professional advice and guidance necessary to achieve whatever it is that you require. For metal roof sheeting, tiles, paint, sand and cement, guttering, downpipes, whirlybirds and more, see Drakans Roofing Supplies.